Okay, this is the second video, and I'm going to show you how we deal with angles on shapes. So here's another 3D printed shape. It's got a slope to the side right here and a couple of boxes to the left side. As you can see, when you take a look at this, it's going to reveal something interesting I think you need to understand. And so let's just quickly sketch it in an isometric angle. Oh boy, that's too high. Okay, now with this particular shape, it's pretty easy to see what we're going to do, but I just want to show you how we deal with angles. We're going to look at the front view starting from here. So if we take a look at this, the front view is most likely going to look rotated around with those shapes in mind. Okay, so let's start out with that, and we'll start out with the red pen again. Try and get this to work a little bit faster. There we go. Okay, there's our starting point. Whenever you start a drawing, if you're doing this with me or you're just watching, it's good to draw a couple of preliminary lines. That gives you an idea of how big the shape is. Okay. This is how wide my shape is. This is how tall my shape is going to be. I didn't measure anything, I'm just eyeballing it, okay? Oh, nice lines. Jesus. Okay, so that's what we're going to start off with. Now, the trick here is to just identify the angle. Now, in real life, it is a triangle, but when you look at it from the side, it turns into a rectangle. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make that rectangle and carry lines up. This is going to represent the side view pieces. Okay, and now we have that started. Interesting enough on this particular shape is this is going to be what the front view is. And take a look, move this up, rotate it, and believe it or not, the top view is identical. It's going to have the exact same shapes. It kind of makes sense, but what we're going to see on the right view is the actual angle. And this is why oftentimes you will need to see all three views to help you identify what that shape is. Okay, now in the right view, what we're going to be starting off with is I'm going to just say that this is roughly where it starts, and this is where it ends. Okay, and then we have our angle. Now, with the projection theory, here we're going to have these lines mean something over here. You could figure out that what we're doing is we're taking this shape and drawing it here. Okay, and now we have front, top, and right view. Let's do some letters to help those people that might benefit from that. One of the first things is surface A is here and here. All right, So you know that it is viewed in both directions. This is B, there's B. We'll just go C, D, C, and D is only in the front view. And we'll do E and squeeze in F right there. So that's E and F. Okay. I didn't draw on those two triangles, but I think that you can figure that out. All right, so that is that shape drawn in a front, top, and right view with the labels on it. Practice putting those letters in.